These beautiful plants send up their little babies, and sometimes you can call those pups, and you're gonna be able to take cuttings from those and put it in the cutest little pot you ever saw in your life, and then you can give it to a friend. So, taking this beauty, we're gonna take it, and you can see the beautiful root structure on that. So the easiest way is to pull, or you can use a knife. I like to just use my thumb because I can get in there and feel where the roots are. And I'm gonna pull that away, and it's gonna snap. Did you hear it snap or see it snap? So it has the roots here, it's got little roots. Look at this little root. And then here it's open. So right there, we're going to get some powder, our rooting powder. And I always put it in the top, or put it in a little bowl, hopefully not with wind. And I'm going to dab that there and push that right on there. That kind of seals up the little cut you made, but it also puts the rooting hormone where we want more roots than what we already have. And then we have our little pots. Nice little roots. Right in there. Like organic fertilizers, but anytime we're using an organic fertilizer indoors on our little house plants, we want a fertilizer that doesn't smell bad. We don't want to attract all kinds of bugs and cats and dogs and maybe even kids. So this particular product is all a natural product that is not real high in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash, which is a good medium number for houseplants.